To remove a motor assembly from the vacuum head, first remove the prop. Find the prop nut in the center of the prop. Hold the prop with one hand and turn the prop nut counterclockwise to remove it. Pull the prop off the propeller shaft. Then remove the prop pin. Do not lose the pin. There are 4 screws that hold the motor assembly in place, and they are located here. Remove all 4 screws and nuts completely. Remove the cord clamp screw that secures the cord to the pole yoke mount, located here. Reaching into the vacuum head, grasp the bottom of the motor, gently pry open the head, and lift the motor up and out. The motor and power cord is a sealed assembly. Do not open or try to remove the cord. Replace the cord clamp screw. The cord clamp is important and should always be used. It protects the cord from excess flexing at the connection. Fully insert all 4 head screws before adding the lock nuts. Then hand tighten each screw and nut. Do not over-tighten with excess force. Put the pin back into the prop shaft. Make sure that the pin and the propeller are engaged. Replace the prop nut and hand tighten. The prop should not rock or tilt. For more information, visit us at hammerheadvac.com or call